7 signs she's not coming back. Don't waste your time. Did you hear that? I said don't waste your time. I want you to watch this video to the end. If you are a man whose woman has left, watch this video. You will find out whether she will come back or not. Welcome, relationship enthusiasts. One of the signs your woman who left you will not come back to you is she stops communicating. John texts Mary, his girlfriend, good morning. No reply. At first, he thought she was busy with work in her office. But after a week of silence, John realized that his girlfriend's lack of communication or reply was a choice, not an accident. Whenever a woman leaves you, and that finally, she will never reply your text. Even if you call her and tell her that something serious is happening to you, she will never reply you back, nor call you. The next sign you will see, you know she will never come back, is she avoids seeing you. Whenever a woman has made up her mind, your woman has made up her mind to leave you for another man, for something she feels, a place she feels is better for her, she wouldn't want to cross your path. If she knows this is the road you normally travel through, she will never follow that road. In this scenario, whenever John suggested meeting with her for coffee or dinner, Mary, his girlfriend, his wife, always find excuses, sudden work, friends, or not just feeling up to it. When someone fails to see you repeatedly, it is a sign that they are moving on mentally. The next sign to tell you she is moving on, she won't come back, you shouldn't waste your time, is she stops talking about future. The scenario continues. Before, Mary used a joke about trips together or about moving in. Suddenly, the conversation about future stopped. John realized that she no longer saw him in her plan. This is a typical example. Whenever you notice a woman withdrew from talking about future with you, maybe sometimes you chip it to her. Oh, I'm thinking about how our wedding will be, how we'll walk together to the aisle. You see her withdraw. That is a sign that she has moved on, and she will never come back from that moving on. I want you to know this. Make your plans very well. The next sign you see, you know a woman is moving on and will never come back, is she ignores your effort. Look at this scenario again. John sent her a small gift to show he cares, but Mary barely acknowledged it. Even sending a heartfelt message was ignored. At least a little, oh thank you, I have seen what you sent. This is a sign to tell she no longer values your efforts on her. This is a clear explanation. Whenever you do any little thing or big thing for a woman who you see as someone you are going to have a future with, you are going to date or continue dating, whenever you see this sign, I want you to know that she has moved on and she will never come back. And more especially when you see that it is never her way, her reaction whenever you give her something. The next sign to tell you she will never come back, she has moved on, is you notice she's active in social media but not with you. Mary posted stories online. She was chatting with friends and replying their texts and laughing with them, but never included John, even when John made a comment. Rather, he felt invisible. Whenever someone you dated, you married, is active on social media but doesn't include you, they are moving on without you. Especially we see on social media, we see in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, we see couples together doing their videos, talking and advising their viewers and subscribers. Whenever you see such a woman keeping off, she's only there herself. You'll notice that she replies to comments, even in a way she never did when she was doing it with the partner. You know that she has really moved on. The next time you see, you know she has moved on is she talks about other men and not you. One evening, Mary casually mentioned another guy at work. John felt a pang in his chest. She was already shifting her attention somewhere else. This is also a clear sign to tell you a woman is shifting. Moreover, when you know her as someone who couldn't do such before now. The next sign to tell you she has moved on and will never come back is she shows no emotion around you. Even when John tried to share his feelings, Mary was cold and indifferent. Her lack of affection towards him tells him instantly that she has moved on. This is a clear sign a woman has left you and will never come back. I want to tell you that women move slowly, they move quietly, unknown to you. By the time you see a woman showing what she was not able to show before while she was with you, I want you to know that she has shifted. She has gone to other men, to someone else. Or she may not go to someone else. She may decide to be on her own, but she will not come back except God intervenes, or except you put more effort. It can reverse that as well, depending on the type of person she is and the love she has for you. John learned the hard way. You can't force love that's gone. I want you to protect your energy as a man. Focus on someone who truly values you and never waste time chasing what is lost. If you want more videos like this, subscribe now and hit the bell, because I will show you how to make a woman crave your presence instead of leaving you. If you watch to this spot, to this extent, I want you to put whatever advice you have on the comment section. Are you seeing me for the first time, or you've been watching without subscribing? Kindly subscribe to my channel. My returning viewers and subscribers, God bless all of you. Kindly make sure you share this video to your friends, to your loved ones. Make sure you give this channel a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share this video to all your friends. Make sure you are always here. Love you. Bye-bye.